Hey there, come on out, it's me. It's too dark out here to even see. I realize you're unable to see your glowing halo. I said, hey there, cat, won't you point me to the place to be? I came here on a promise made to keep. It took everything I had, but there ain't no price to steep. And in the puddle below stood a wondrous shadow. I said, hey there, cat, ain't you the one I'm supposed to see? When I lose my way, and when I can't find those words to say, she's got the map down to my soul, a guide for home when I'm out of control. So alley cat, won't you let your light shine the way? My alley cat, won't you let your light shine the way? Told me in the back alley's where she'd be, hanging with the rest of the alley cats out in the street. And perched up on the fence, she passed her wisdom on and then I went. I said, hey there, cat, I'll be back round eventually. When I lose my way, and when I can't find those words to say, she's got the map down to my soul, a guide for home when I'm out of control. So alley cat, won't you let your light shine the way? My alley cat, won't you